IC 2025, we are day one, we're in the afternoon, we're on Rako's stand, it's looking delightful. There's some lovely artwork that's been put at the back of here, Brett.
Some new artwork.
I know, I've noticed, and that's why we've highlighted it, sir.
Koya in Barcelona.
It's very, very beautiful. Have you been busy today?
It's been very busy today, actually.
Super positive.
Been a good morning, lots of people around.
Okay, I've got a question for you first. What stand number are you?
No idea.
Oh, Brett! Every time, always lets us down at the end. It's okay. We'll ask the audience afterwards. We'll come round, and by the time we get over there, we'll find out what the stand number we are.
Yeah.
So, ISC 2025. What have you brought, which is new to the world?
IC 2025. We have our new DIN rail.
Come with us.
Lighting control system.
Yes.
We are known for our blue racks, but we are now offering, should be the end of Q1 this year, 4-channel mains dimming, DIN rail, 8-channel switching, 4-channel curtain and blind control, dially addressable, and a new link, which is 64 channels up from our normal 32 to give people lots of flexibility and options for DIN rail.
This is growing legs, as they say.
And they do, yeah.
It's obviously we saw it at EI Live.
Yeah.
And its first
iteration.
That's it. Anything new that's been added for since then, or are we just in the position now where it's actually shipping?
We're getting to the point where EI Live, we said Q1. We're getting very close to the end of Q1 now, and we are pretty much on target to have that. So
no panic stations.
No. We even have lights coming on. And all things that people expect.
Showing up with this lighting control over here.
Yeah.
It's good.
Lights.
It's good. Right, so
it's all coming together. Future automation panels again for doing the builds, or you can supply your own if you want to.
Is there going to be any additional training courses for this?
There will be different training courses.
Okay, and when
will be added to the advanced and the foundation.
Another day.
It's the same day.
Same day. Okay.
I mean, in principle, it's the same setup, same keypad, same hub. Anything outside of the box will be the same. As soon as you come into that box and you have that DIN.
If you've been using Rako for a long time, I can imagine it's very familiar from that point of view. Because I know it's DIN rail, but the rest of it is...
Software will be the same, program will be the same cabling, same outboard from the box will be exactly the same.
Which is a beautiful segue, because what has happened with the programming, Brett?
Programming. So we are also showing today, for the first time, our new programming app for the wireless system.
Come on, sir, let's go this way. I'll stand behind the bar so I can let David in.
So we've got it blown up here on this iPad, but what we're doing is we're allowing programming of our wireless controls, so wireless keypads, NFC programmable keypads, dimming modules, control modules for color change are all going to be on the app and give you simple controls and simple programming.
So we are moving away from laptops on site, moving towards a more mobile experience with programming.
We are for the wireless at the moment.
Yes.
Yeah. So those simple jobs, a few modules, a few rooms, wireless keypads, you can get it done via the app, via the controls, without having to open up the laptop.
Have we still got some advanced programming in the app?
Absolutely, yeah. I mean, you've got single button control, you've got long press button control, where you can put different commands in, whether it's levels, scenes, toggles. You can do that within the app, as well as individual channel control. So you'll have power up mode, you have eventually things like macro control in there.
Okay, fabulous.
So it will become a full suite of control for the wireless system.
It's the way it's going, and I think it's definitely a custom integrator's preferred choice of programming, even if it's just first level.
Yeah.
As you're going around something quickly where you can actually commission something from a fast perspective before you want to drill into it a bit further. I think it's amazing. I think it's a really good kind of like next level of added value. Again, from a training perspective, is there anything that's going to be...
There will be the whole advanced training.
You're going to be busy.
Will involve that. Well, me and Aidan will be doing that, I'm sure.
Yeah.
It's going to be a lot more training involved.
Again, is that going to be online? Are we going to do anything from an online perspective, or it's all going to be enhanced?
Back at the main office down in Rochester.
Yeah. I mean, look, it's a great experience to go down there anyway, because you get to see the manufacturing from that perspective.
Yeah.
The stations that you've built down there. I mean, one of my first videos was coming down there once it had been rebuilt. I mean, it's a great space to learn, and you really need it, don't you? It's very difficult to learn outside of that parameters.
Yeah, you get to plug into the kit, you get to turn the kit on, you get to break it, fix it, find out how it works, actually build that system whilst you're in the room.
That's
So
it.
it's, yeah,
And you get to
it's
break
really
it and ask the question about how to fix it in the same
why
place.
did that break? And you figure out, oh, it broke because I did,
And that's super important.
Yeah.
Anything else new?
We're just introducing this little device here as well. So we have our normal classic keypad, wired and wireless, and it just gives someone, if they want a nice, easy tabletop, we're going to call it the wedge, and the wedge is going to allow you to put a classic keypad on, control the lights as normal.
It's a bedside table,
nice
dream.
bedside table, tabletop, desk side, just a little bit of an extra accessory for the classic keypads. EOS to follow, but
Ooh.
currently just the classic.
Interesting. That's a good that's a good move. I like that idea of going to
Yeah,
EOS as well. So then more in the high-end applications where they can be.
Exactly.
Yeah.
It just means that you can choose any of those, the finishes that we do on that classic. And
I was going to say, on the EOS side of things, will you be able to get it in a metal finish?
will be metal finish.
The whole thing?
Yeah. Because the wedge is actually just an accessory part. So this part here, that is what you would just clip on, surface mount, any of the antique brass, matte bronze, black. White finishes you'll be able to have and just put onto that wedge.
I mean, there's many more things on this stand because Rako isn't just a one-product shop, is it?
Not really.
So if you're here at ISE, there is all of the keypads available, which we'll put in a little bit of B-roll. What else will you be showing here, sir?
All of our control keypads, whether they're the EOS, the portrait versions for international markets, we'll be showing all of the finishes, the modular, the hub for all the integrations to Crestron, Control 4, Q-Motion, Nice, you name it. Bodhi integration as well for hotel control, so we've got a lot of integration going on there.
Got a few remotes from different integration smart home
Integration
platforms.
partners from Nice, from HDA integration, we have hotel controls, the whole lot.
It's cool, isn't it? It's a cool place to come and actually have a play. And
We have lots of different controls here from different manufacturers, from different integration partners. Lots of things to show, yeah.
And I've noticed behind you as well, you've got software running. So if really someone does want to drill into some of the programming aspects of it.
This is actually from Bodhi, again, another integration partner for the hotel and control integration for heating, door entry, all of those things.
So, Rako, ISE 2025. Do we know the stand number? 2H150. It's okay, Brett. I've got this for you.
Good.
Usually, this man is Mr. Professional when it comes to the stand numbers. It's all right. We can't have it every year, and that's why we look after each other in this circumstance. Yeah, it's a brilliant stand. Lovely people to work with in the UK. If you're an installer, you probably already know about them. Lots of new things coming to the market already in the market. Where can I find out more about Rako?
RakoControls.com.
And if I want to purchase Rako, who do I talk to in the UK?
RakoControls.com.
There we go. Brett made it super simple, and that's all we need from you, sir, unless there's anything else.
No, that's where we're at the moment. Yeah, it's coming.
You've been a delight, sir. Thank you very much, and we'll speak to you soon.